So hello guys, so today I'm going to show you on how to solve this error. So these are pandas error while using the read CSV or while reading files in pandas. So basically this error occurs when you're reading a file and you didn't define the separator of the text. So we are going to use a separator of the next line. So you define it using backslash r backslash n for the next line. That will be the separator. It will read the informator will be from the start to the end of a line. It will read line by line without minding the separator in between the line, in between the text in a line. So let's see when we run that. So as you can see, now it reads without that error. But now we have another one here. Python's blah blah blah. To avoid this, specify the engine. So you can just copy this and add it to the read CSV to avoid this error. So paste there. So we run this again. Yeah, as you can see, it was read well. So again we have to define a header of none to avoid the first line being considered as the header of the file. So let's add that header equals none. Yeah, you can see it was read. Now the error is gone. So again, maybe you can rename the header of this. Instead of zero, we can name these column as tweets, because these are the tweets. The text is it's a Twitter messages, so we can rename the header to tweets. Use the attribute names equals tweets. So let's see. Yeah, and that's how it is simple to solve the error of the tokenization or the search errors in the pandas or reading the file. So if you have any question, maybe if your error wasn't solved, you can ask me on the comment section. I'll be here to assist you if your error wasn't solved. So and that's all for the video on how to solve that error. So thank you guys.